In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade over 2 using the DB Traders analysis tool while trading on Deriv. Now, over 2 is one of the trade types that is most selected by a lot of traders. Why? The reason is because over 1, over 2, under 8, under 7 are among the category of digits that possess quite a bit of low risk, and the profit ratio is not bad. Okay? Yeah, so how can you trade it using the analysis tool in a way that will ensure you get some earnings at the end of the day? Okay? Now, first of all, as we start, I want to welcome you all to the DerivNavigatorAcademy, where we have the best Deriv strategies for you. Okay? Yeah, so please ensure subscribe and like as we start. So first of all, I will be using a bot in this illustration, but I will also explain how to do it manually, but let us start. I will be using a bot. So first of all, you have to ensure you know the martingale you're supposed to use. When you're trading over 2, the martingale you're supposed to use is either 3 or 4. Okay? That is the first condition. Now let us go now to the setups that you should ensure are there so that you can start trading. Now, first things first, if you have a laptop, on one part of your laptop, I want you to split your screen like this. One part of your laptop, you have the Deriv bot. The other part of your laptop, you have the DB Traders analysis tool. Note this, do not trade on the third-party analysis tool. Only trade on the official Deriv.com website. We are using this analysis tool for this particular part. As you can see, this overhand analysis part, we are using it for that part, and I'll be showing you how. So, if you have a laptop, as I've said, or a computer, you split your screen. If you have a phone, ensure you have 2 phones. One phone, you have your Deriv bot. The other phone, you have this analysis tool. Okay? Now I'll be showing you how you can do it. Now let us go to the analysis tool. Now, as you can see on the analysis tool, you have a lot of digits. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. One thing I want you to ensure is 0, 1, and 2 are all below 10.5%. I repeat, ensure 0, ensure 1, ensure 2 are all below 10, in fact 10.5, yeah, 10.5%. Okay, the reason for this is that you want these numbers to be weak so that the possibility of the market selecting our numbers will be quite low. And if you can get 2 being below 10%, that can be a bonus. But just ensure they are all below 10.5%. The other thing is ensure, you see this green circle, ensure it is 2 to 3 numbers away from you. So if you're trading over 2, the green circle should never touch 3, it should never touch 4. The green circle should either be at 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay, the reason for this, we do not want it close to us. The closer it is to us, the more we are predisposed to danger, and that is something that you do not want. So ensure it is quite far away from you. Okay, yeah, the positioning of the red circle does not affect us in any way, because I know most people usually wonder, what about the red one? The red circle basically represents the least appearing number, so its positioning cannot affect your trades in any particular way. Okay, yeah, so the red circle can be at 0, it can be at 1, it can be at 2, 4, 5. It does not matter. What matters is the green circle. The blue circle basically represents the second most appearing number, so you should not worry about that. And the yellow circle basically represents the second least appearing number. So again, that does not affect us in any particular way. If that is okay. Awesome. Now, after that, you come to this part. Ensure you come and say, if you're trading over 2, you come and select digit like that. Okay. Now, if you're trading over 2, ensure this percentage is more than 70%. This is assuming you're using this analysis tool. Ensure this percentage is more than 70%. All right. Yeah. If you see it, the percentage is below 70, it is showing you this market is quite weak, and that can affect your trades. So ensure this percentage is more than 70% if you're trading over 2. Okay. Now, after that, what do we do? So we have 2 ways to enter. What is the entry point? I know most of you now are wondering, what about the entry point? Now, like, by the way, guys, as you can see on my screen, this one is a perfect one, okay? Especially if you can find one that is positioned like this, you find that 2 is extremely weak, and you have 1 and 0 below 10.5. This is what you want. This is beautiful. And then you ensure the green circle is like this, 2 numbers away. This is a perfect over 2 market. Okay, as you can see, everything is properly aligned. This is a beautiful market. So please take example of that setup. Now, if you're trading manually, all right, as you can see, we have this ticker, the red triangle, or basically, yeah, you have that ticker that is moving from number to number. So basically, you wait for this ticker to go to 0, and then if it goes to 1, you press over. If it goes to 2 and then 1 also, press over. But before you press over, ensure the ticker first of all has landed on one other number, and then it goes to 1, and then you press over. All right, I repeat, for you, if you're trading manually, this is your entry point. If you're trading over 2 manually, you wait for the ticker to go to 0 and then 1, you press over. And then you wait, or you can wait for the ticker to go to 2, and then immediately it goes to 1 also, you press over. But before you press over, ensure the ticker lands on 1. Okay? Yeah, so that is the first way, especially if you're trading manually. With a bot also, it is the same. If you're using a bot and basically you want to use these digits, you do it this way. Immediately the ticker goes to 0 and then it comes to 1, press run. Immediately the ticker goes to 2 and then it comes to 1 also. Press 1, but before the ticker lands on 1, ensure it has landed on one other number. Okay, that is the one of the first ways in which you can enter your trade. Now, if you want to use this part for your entry, this is what you do. As you can see right now, it is at 74.6. So anytime it will have an increase of 0.2% and above, you enter. So let's say if right now you open the chart and this percentage was at 74.4. So you'll wait for it to go to 74.5, 74.6, and then once it goes to 74.7, you enter your trade immediately. Okay, yeah, but at least wait for an increase of more than 0.2 so that you are sure it is increasing, because sometimes it might end up increasing and then it decreases immediately. So at least give it a chance to increase by 0.2% and above, and then you enter your trade. Okay, yeah, but that is basically the way you should trade over 2 using this analysis tool. Yeah, it is a very nice one. Even I've also made other videos about over 2. They're also credible. If you combine them with this particular strategy, it will be awesome. Okay, yeah, but this analysis tool is called DerivTraders.com. It is not a must use this one. I'm not affiliated with it. It is not my site, but basically I'm just saying use this part really well, because the good thing about this analysis tool is that you can be able to have the view of both the digits and this part here, so it makes your work much easier as compared to only analyzing on Deriv. All right, but even if this we end up not having this website, we can still rely on the official Deriv.com website. The analysis tool there is also well positioned. But yeah, try using this. It will make your work much easier. Yeah, and it will make your trading much more congruent. Okay, yeah, apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or query, please ensure you WhatsApp me down below. Again, you have to ensure you have a really amazing bots on your trading, because the over market usually carries a lot of risk as compared to the under market. Okay, yeah, so if you do not have a good, fast and quality bot, it might become really hard for you to make some profits in over 2. Okay, my number is in the description, guys. For any inquiries about bots, if you need bots, classes, one-on-one live trading sessions, I am there for you. Apart from that, guys, keep on trading, keep on pushing. Let us meet on the live stream. I appreciate you for being here and have a good one. Thank you.